All right, welcome back to the Crypto Bro Show. Today is Tuesday, February 4th, and we're going to be taking a look at the Bitcoin markets here. But before we do that, I do have to let you guys know, please remember that this channel here is for entertainment purposes only, and this does not constitute financial advice. This is a part of educational content, which you may or may not apply depending on your jurisdiction. Always consult a professional for legal advice, my friend. Remember, this is not financial advice. With that being said, Crypto Bro here, and we're back with the Crypto Bro Show. Let's go ahead and look at the price of Bitcoin. 99,000. Took a dip, no big deal. ETH took a bigger dip. 2,800. XRP, $2.61. Solana, 213. Ooh, Binance, look at that. 581 going down as we speak right now, guys. Look at that. Dogecoin, 26 cents. Cardano, 75 cents. And Liquid Stake ETH, 2803. Now, if you guys are wondering what's going on recently, there was some news. Trump had these tariffs and all that. And, the tariffs, it kind of scared everybody. So, it looks like China also announced some tariffs on U.S. goods. So, guys, the markets, there was a little bit of fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market. No big deal. If you guys have been in the crypto market for a while, you guys know that Bitcoin, for the most part, goes up on a yearly chart. This right here is a daily chart, so it's all right to, it's okay to look at this and be scared, but if you look at Bitcoin on a yearly chart, this is Bitcoin on a yearly chart here. All right, each candle represents 1 year. You guys see that? Let me bust out that price range tool that's over here. Let's assume you knew about Bitcoin on Saturday, January 1st of 2022. All right, this isn't assuming you got in like 10 years ago as an early adopter. I'm not assuming you're Satoshi's next door neighbor, right? I'm assuming you got in like 3 years ago. All right, so you got in right about over here. Let's assume you got really good discipline, and you were able to hold this money, and you didn't have to pull it out for like a family emergency or something, right? So check this out. Boom. All right, let me draw the little line over here. Let me give you guys the price range details. Okay, let me get the horizontal line for you guys here. So, all right, guys, you guys could have bought Bitcoin right over here for about 29,000, 30,000. You guys could have rode it up for about 254% on your money. Now, once again, guys, remember this channel here, Crypto Bro, is not a financial advisor. But shit, if I was a financial advisor, shit, I'd be looking at this and I'd be telling you to look at this shit too. For real, for real. But remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment, educational purposes only. Please do your own research. Some people say Bitcoin could all go down to zero. I don't see that ever happening, not unless there's some crazy, crazy big development in like quantum computers and everybody and their cousin goes to Best Buy and they buy a quantum computer for like $6,000 and they crack open the blockchain. So unless that shit happens, I think Bitcoin's pretty secure. It's got like a 15-year track record, so that's pretty good. But yeah, guys, Bitcoin, it's always gonna have its ups and its downs. But if you're in it for the long term, I got good news for you. The CEO of Coinbase, Brian Armstrong, he predicts. This is not my prediction, so don't tell me. I've been smoking too many. Too much. Blah blah blah. Right? Don't accuse me of nothing. All right? He said Bitcoin's gonna soar into the millions. All right. Now I never thought it could get that high, bro. But let's go ahead and click on this article. Let's kind of dive into this real quick. So Bitcoin is poised to hit multiple millions, Coinbase CEO declared, citing surging institutional adoption, ETF inflows, and transformative potential of clear U.S. legislation. So guys, millions. That's crazy, guys. Imagine buying Bitcoin for 10 G's and turning it into millions. Man, whew. I got to say right now, Bitcoin is still probably the best investment, but I want to hear from you guys in the comments below. Besides Bitcoin, what are you guys investing into? Are you guys going XRP Army? Are you going Solana? Because there's a lot of meme coins being traded on Solana, like on Dex Screener. Like, what are you guys doing? Oh, looks like this coin's about to dump right here. Let's see this. All right, guys, here we are on Dex Screener, a little bit off topic, but look, you guys got to be careful with some of these coins. See, what they'll do is they'll get you to kind of FOMO into it because they'll get the chart to look all nice and pretty. Let me see if I can make this bigger for you guys here. All right, so you guys see this? Holy shit. All right, let me go back out. This is about to dump like right now, guys. Watch this. This is crazy, dude. We're about to capture this live for you guys. Yeah, these markets, guys, volatility can be a good thing if you know how to capture it. But be careful with these Solana meme coins, man. Solana's good if you're buying and holding, but be careful. We're about to capture this live right here, guys. So what they do to attract a lot of newbie investors is you guys will see these numbers over here on the right. It's going up by like 27,000% in the hour. And you're thinking to yourself, man, that's pretty hot. So you check out their Twitter, you check out their Telegram, you decide to FOMO into it. It looks like there's not that many reactions over here, so you guys got to pay attention to all these details. Make sure the audit's good, but a lot of people they're not gonna scam you like in this way anymore because that's like an older scam. So they're gonna scam you by making the chart look really good. So as you guys can see, the coin just got created about 47 minutes ago, and it's had some crazy price movement. So let's go ahead and price range. Okay, let's see here. I mean, this is just in minutes, guys. Like, you could be up 240%. So that typically takes Bitcoin a few years, as you guys can see over here on the yearly chart on Bitcoin. But Bitcoin's not gonna, for the most part, it's not gonna lose you money not unless you buy the top and then sell the bottom like the next day. These coins over here, what's this coin? Oh man, I feel like these guys are right about to dump on people. Ooh, you guys see this chart? This is a 1 second chart. And to me, it looks kind of heavily manipulated. It looks like they're just using a lot of bots to buy back and forth to kind of increase their volume and stuff. So let's see right here. Holders, one guy has 20%. Let's see the top traders. Yeah, there's not too many people making crazy money on this one. Like, let's see. Let's say if you were in this kind of late, you bought $63 worth, you sold 66, you're up $2. I mean, a lot of these coins here, guys, just ain't worth it. But what they do to scam you is they make it look worth it over here. So be careful, guys. I know I'm getting on like a long Twitter, a long crypto rant. But yeah, guys. I mean, we're back over here, man. We're gonna be doing some crypto bro stuff. Sometimes you get busy IRL. Next thing you know, you can't film. Boom! I told you guys it's just gonna dump. What did I tell you guys? Guys, look at this shit live right here in front of you guys. Crypto bro here. We're back with the Crypto Bro Show. I'm going to try to do these shows maybe at least once a week, guys. Get busy with work, get busy with IRL stuff. Look, I told you guys, these guys are going to dump on you just like that. So shit, guys, be careful out here. These are the trenches, guys. You guys are going to see a lot of YouTubers saying you guys can make money with meme coins. And you guys can make millions and millions of dollars. And that is true. There is a probability to it. But for the most part, remember, a lot of people trading lose money. So remember, you guys just saw this live right here in front of you. We are Tuesday, February 4th. This coin just got launched 49 minutes ago. All right? This isn't like, I didn't pre-record this. Like, guys, be careful out here. A lot of people, they bought right here. And next thing you know, look, in the last 5 minutes, they're down nearly 50% on their buy-in. And you're about to see this market cap of $1 million. This market cap, we're going to come back to this in another video. I'm going to bookmark this one for you guys. Let's see here. And we'll bookmark this one for you guys here. And guys, I'm going to tell you, they're going to crash the shit out of this market cap. They're going to crash it hard. It's looking like it's at $1 million right now. In the next 6 to 8 hours, it's going to be like 30, 40,000. Because they're just going to drain it. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what people do, guys. They create coins. They use these little bots. Buy, sell, buy, sell. They're creating this volume. They're creating a list of holders, right? But look, if you look at this, guys, now look at this closely. This is how you analyze the scam. Now, it took me a long time to realize this, but you guys have to look at a lot of different factors to analyze the scam. It's not just one thing. One thing that helps out a lot is how many holders there is. But this can be easily faked. This could be one guy that's got some software. We'll get into this in another video. But these softwares, they can be used for good and for evil. Now, there's good developers, they use them for good, and there's bad developers, they use them to do essentially what's called a rug pull. Now, what they do is one guy loads up the software with like 10, 15, 20 Solana, and he takes the 20 Solana, just to make it an easy example, and he divides the 20 Solana into like 100 different wallets, just puts a little bit in each wallet, right? And then he tells the bot, okay, Tuesday, February 4th at 10:55 Arizona time, you are going to click buy on this chart, and you are going to make the chart just go up, right? So that's essentially what happened over here. So as you guys can see, they probably initiated the buy bot, and they attracted some new people, right? Up on the way up over here. Let's see the price range over here. Yeah, they went up a bit, and surely there was a few people that FOMO'd into this. I've been a newbie investor before, and I've done it before with these Solana meme coins. Next thing you know, you're buying right here. There's literally people that literally bought right here. This is kind of rough, but that's just kind of how the world works. There's dudes that bought right here, and the next thing you know, it just boom, went down. You know what I'm saying? And what you got to look for is you got to look for this chart. It just looks too artificial. That's one thing. And then go down to the holders list. A lot of these guys, this is a big thing right here. This guy owns more than 10%. He's got 20% right here. So be careful about that. And let's see right here. The liquidity, yeah. You would think that guy's the liquidity pool, but no, the liquidity pool only has 3%. So now it's kind of rough. As you guys can see, another massive red candle. Massive. Look at this, guys. Guys, you can't fake this shit. Look at this. I told you guys, this shit's going to dump. Watch this guy's dump. Boom, 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 dump. So, man, that's crazy. But another factor here, a lot of these wallets, they just have 0.08% in there. Look at that. What are the chances that all these wallets, right, from wallet 10 to wallet 40, all have 0.08? And it's just such a small amount. Just look at the value. So the guy has a bot, and he just puts $40 in each wallet. That way, it's like, let me look like a newbie investor. He's got a couple bigger wallets. But yeah, this is how they get you guys. So shit, we'll go back to this coin in another video. The market cap will be 100K. Guys, be careful trading these Solana meme coins, guys. The wave right now is BitCoin and Sovereign Wealth Fund. You can't make some money on these. You know what I'm saying? This one seems more legit, like a more legit chart. There's some fluctuation here. It's been around for a day. Okay. Usually coins die within the first day. And if they don't die within a day, there could be something to it. But once again, do your own research. BitCoin right here. This coin, just because it's a lot of people that are like, it's funny, BitCoin. This coin's been around for 5 days, guys. Like shit, there's people printing some good gains on this one. On the hourly chart, it's up 50%. But the volume's only like 500K, so be careful, Be careful with this one. But on this one, as you guys can see, there's a lot more holders on this one. Let's compare this one to the scam. So I find that this will kind of help you guys out. As you guys can see, this one only has 828 holders right here. This one that's more legit. Look, the market. Look, oh my goodness, guys! I didn't even have to record another video for you guys. Just like 2 minutes ago, I was like, the market cap will go 30, 40, 50K. 50K market cap. Dude, this coin is done. It's done, bro. It's done. So no big deal. This coin right here, 4 million market cap. This coin is more of a narrative right now because it's funny and people are going to buy into shit if it's funny. Check out their website. Let's see. Let's go ahead and look at our website here. Okay, let's see. Oh, they just got a bunch of links here. Alright, so shit, you don't even need a fucking website. Fuck. Shit, whoever made this is making some money. Let's go look at the top traders over here. Alright, let's see here. Alright, guy put in 3 G's. He came out with 31,000. Okay, there's some money into this one. Alright, even these smaller traders like myself, I put in $700, walked away with 25,000. So there's money to be made in some of this, but the thing is, most of you guys are going to get burned before you learn what's legit and what's not, before you guys learn how to read a chart. In charts, you should have fluctuations, like just go up, go down. That other chart was just printing green because there was just one guy just doing the whole movement. So guys, be careful. If you guys, want my advice, what I would do. Once again, this is not financial advice. This is just what I would do. Being in the market for the past 6 years, just watching all this stuff and not really having that much money to throw at it, but watching it, learning it, and just observing, making a few bucks here and there. I think the most stable thing is just Bitcoin, guys. So if I were you guys, I would go with Bitcoin. And even if you buy right now, you're pretty much buying at the top, which a lot of people say not to do, but Bitcoin can always form a new top. So, you know what I'm saying? Bitcoin can form a new top, go up by a little bit. Oh, shit. I didn't draw that too well. But, okay. Let me reset that right here. Let me just use the drawing tool. So we're kind of over here. Bitcoin can just continue to go up. And next thing you know, you're hitting 110,000 new all-time high. And what is this? Went out to 2034. Oh, didn't draw that chart right, guys. My bad. Let's see here. Man, I'm bad at this chart stuff at certain times. Let's see here. Let me reset this. There's people saying, this guy saying it's gonna hit multiple millions. There's a study saying it's going to hit that multiple millions in like 2 years. Let me try to find the study. Alright guys, so I found the study for you guys here. You guys can Google it or type it into Bing. Just I typed in Bitcoin millions 2027. The researchers are saying, guys, Bitcoin could hit 1 million by early 2027. I think, by the way things are headed, it's definitely plausible. We're already at 100K. And, what if there's a major, massive event with the U.S. dollar or just some other form of currency around the world? What if there's like another COVID or something, right? Just, you never know what could happen, right, guys? But at the end of the day, the research is there. There's also a lot of Bitcoins that you have to remember. They're not in circulation. They've been lost. People lose their hard drive. They throw it out. Hard drive fails. House catches on fire. We see a lot of people lose their Bitcoin or just sell it early too. So, there's 21 million in circulation initially. Remember that guy Satoshi? I don't think his wallet ever sold that million. I think it's safe to say whoever he or she is, or if it's a group of people, maybe they lost their keys, maybe they're not around anymore, maybe they just intend to never use it. But, the research is there, guys. $1 million Bitcoin by mid-2028. Don't take this from me, guys. Do your own research. There's other people. The other side of this is the other people saying, Bitcoin can go down to zero. And I think the only way that's possible is if there's some sort of massive, Chinese supercomputer that's released onto the market, like a quantum computer that you and your buddy Jason can go down to Walmart or Best Buy and be like, yo, bro, let's buy this quantum computer. Next thing you know, you're cracking the fucking blockchain, right? And you're fucking stealing everybody's Bitcoin. But besides that, I don't see it happening, man. I don't see Bitcoin going down to zero. As a lot of people say, I think that is just more far-fetched than Bitcoin hitting 1 million. I think Bitcoin definitely hit 1 million. I don't know if it's going to be by 2028, guys. But, if you were to ask me, I would have said definitely in a few years' time, as more and more people come online. There's a stat I recently came across. 900,000 people each and every day gain access to the internet. Let me show you guys that stat. Yeah, so I saw it over here, guys. Look, Ty Lopez said it. 900,000 people a day are getting high-speed internet. So you do the math on this. You got all these people in all these countries. You guys got to be grateful because we have great internet where we're at, right, for the most part. A lot of you guys listening in on this, you guys have great internet. You have the time to listen in on this. But for the most part, guys, there's people that are still getting internet, right? And I know it's like it's rough for me to laugh, but I'm just like, man, y'all should have had Wi-Fi by now. You know what I'm saying? But y'all are still getting internet. 900,000 people a day in developmental countries like around the world are getting internet, guys. And then next thing you know, they're learning about Bitcoin. And they go, okay, I'll buy a Bitcoin. This thing seems pretty solid. Because remember, guys, when you compare the price of Bitcoin When you compare just crypto as a whole, this is worth 3.2 trillion. All these companies in the world are worth over 115 trillion. So just Apple is worth 3.4 trillion. Apple's worth more than all the cryptos combined at this current state. So guys, I don't want to make this video too long. It's already 20 minutes long, but I just want to say that, you know, crypto's going to have its ups and downs. You know, for the most part, if you buy BTC, right, and if you hold BTC on a yearly chart, this thing goes up, guys. So let me show you guys one last time here, and then we'll kind of wrap this thing up. Price range, boom, you're going up, guys. So once again, remember, this video right here is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. It is a part of educational content. Always consult a professional for legal financial advice, as this is not financial advice. This is Crypto Bro advice. So with that being said, guys, Crypto Bro's back. We're back here as a channel. I'll try making some nice content for you guys. Some content may be longer. Some content may be shorter. So let me know what you guys want to see in the comments below. Let me know what coins you guys are buying in the comments below. You know, are you guys buying XRP? Are you guys buying Solana? Are you buying Dogecoin? Are you trading these coins over here on Deck Screener that we just saw dump? Man, that was a crazy coin, huh? But shit, you guys are gonna see some crazy swings here, guys. Some crazy ups and downs. Another hot narrative is this Robinhood. But if I was you guys, I would stick away from this one just because the market cap is already 59 million, and they could rug that thing in any second, guys. So then again, this thing could go up to $1 billion. It's crypto, so do your own research on this one. You know what I'm saying? But if you click on the site, this is obviously not the official Robinhood, guys. I'm gonna show you guys this, and then I'm gonna end the video. Just look at this, guys. This right here is worth 60 million. Just look at this, guys. You could have made this with your little autistic brother. Your little autistic brother that's in the 6th grade could have made this back when Angel Fires was still giving out free web hosting. But that's the market, guys. It looks pretty decent. It's up 200% in the past day. But honestly, guys, the market cap for me for a meme coin is too high. Unless this thing becomes the next Dogecoin, and it could. It could. So you guys could make money on this one, or you could lose money. But with that being said, guys, Crypto Bro's back. I think the best thing you guys could do for all you newbies out there, man, just buy the Bitcoin, buy the dips, hold on to your BTC, guys. HODL, as they say. All right, Crypto Bro back. All right, guys, drop a like, drop a comment. More videos coming soon.